students, welcome to SST class. Today let us learn the fourth lesson, States of India. Refer page number 164. In this lesson we shall study India as a country, the different states of India. As we all know, our nation, that is our country, is India. We belong to a beautiful country called India. India is located in the continent of Asia and is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on its west, the Bay of Bengal on its east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The country comprises 29 states and 7 union territories. Refer the map. Do you know the great Himalayas to the north of India separate us from the countries lying on the either side? Page number 165. Ours is a democratic country. India is a democratic country, one that elects its own government. The people have the rights to elect the government. We have two types of governments that function at two levels. The one that makes laws, means laws and rules for the entire country, is known as the central or union government, and the one that makes laws for a particular state is known as the state government. The government that makes the laws for the entire country, the whole country, is called as central government or union government, and the laws that are made for a particular state, that is called as state government. The central government comprises the president, the prime minister, and the senior members of the central government. All these officials live in Delhi. Capital of India is Delhi. They live in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official home of the president of meanwhile 7. Race Course Road is the official residence of the prime minister. The central government is responsible for certain issues that relate to the entire country and its overall well-being. Additionally, it handles the administration of the 7 union territories. The central government takes care is responsible for all the 29 states and the 7 union territories. The structure of the government is uniform across all the states of India. Means it is the structure of government is same to all the states of India. The state government is more in charge of matters relating to its own state. For example, Karnataka state government is responsible or is in charge of matters relating to its own state, to the Karnataka state itself. Every state also has its own capital and chief minister. Karnataka, it is a state. Capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, and it has its own chief minister also. The state government carries out specific functions to ensure proper functioning of the state. The governor, the chief minister, and other ministers and senior officials take part in running the state government. To run the government, the governor, chief minister, and other ministers and the senior officials take part in the running of state government. These officials reside, means they stay in the state they represent. Find out the name of the chief minister of your state. Who is the chief minister of your state? Write it down in that box. The location of the official residence of the chief minister and the governor of your state. Next, very important part, different states of India and their capitals. In the first column you can see the states. In the second column you can see the capitals. See carefully, these are important. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Capital city is Hyderabad. It is also shared with Telangana. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji or Panjim. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Page number 166. Haryana, Chandigarh, shared with Punjab. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Jharkhand, Ranchi, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಕೇರಳ ತಿರುವನಂತಪುರಂ, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಭೋಪಾಲ್, ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮುಂಬೈ, ಮಣಿಪುರ್ ಇಂಪಾಲ್, ಮೇಘಾಲಯ ಶಿಲಾಂಗ್, ಮಿಜೋರಾಂ ಐಜ್ವಾಲ್, नागालैंड कोहिमा, ओडिशा और ओरिसा भुवनेश्वर, पंजाब चंडीगढ़, राजस्थान जयपुर, सिक्किम गैंगटॉक, तमिलनाडु चेन्नई, तेलंगाना हैदराबाद शेयर्ड विथ आंध्र प्रदेश, त्रिपुरा अगरतला, उत्तर प्रदेश लखनऊ, उत्तराखंड देहरादून, वेस्ट बंगाल कोलकाता. These are the 29 states and their capitals. Here is a list of all Indian union territories and their capital cities. Union territories and the capital cities: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Delhi. National Capital Territory Delhi. Puducherry or Pondicherry is Pondicherry. Do you know the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the largest union territory in India, while the Lakshadweep Islands are the smallest. Island is a piece of land in the middle and is covered by water on all the four sides. That is called as island. Let us revise. India is one of the world's greatest democracies. India comprises of 29 states and 7 union territories. The country is governed by the central or union government and different states by the respective state governments. We Indians respect all religions and the cultural diversity of our country. Thank you children. Next class will continue the exercises.